Slow now.
Okay, we're here downstairs in the basement, and what are we seeing? We're seeing movement on its own. We're seeing the chain that's down here at Jenny Wade's body literally moving. No one's moved it. No one's touched it. And it's moving faster. If there's anybody in this house that's moving this chain, could you please move it faster? Faster. That's good. Make it faster. As fast as you can. Use all the energy you can to move it. We're watching it move. There's how many of us here? 4 people here. We're all witnessing this.
My things that rods are crossing.
They're crossing. Who's here with us right now? Can you move that chain faster? Can you make it sway?
I saw in the picture upstairs that the dad's name was Jack. Well, the name he went by.
Jack?
It was John something, but he went by Jack.
Is that you, Jack? Are you here with us? Can you make this wire, this link, move side to side? That's good. Can you make it bigger? Good job. Can you keep it moving? Amazing. Can't see anything with the lights out though. Can't say anything.
You're taking pictures, right?
I'm trying. Go ahead. It won't take.